Read the question. Question is asking you the value of accelerations. Options are given as -30. Actually, this is you can say j cap. -30 j cap, 30 j cap, 3 I cap, 15 j cap, or you can say 3 I cap plus 15 j cap plus 7 k cap. Okay, acceleration. Okay, sir. Question saying you that at any instant t equals to 0, the vertical height, okay, means in z direction height is constant, means that is indirectly given you the z coordinate, that is 7 z cap. So you can also say that this is 7 of k cap. Clear? In x direction at any time t equals at any time you can take, okay, x is given, that is 3t I cap. So x coordinate. So x coordinate is given 3t. Y coordinate is given this is 5t cube of j cap. Clear? So if I will write the position r, what is that? Okay, 3t of I cap plus 5t cube of j cap plus 7k cap. Clear? Clear? Yes or no? Yes, sir. So question asking you acceleration. So first we find out velocity equals to a differentiation of r with respect to time. Differentiate this. This is what 3t I cap. So this will be 3 of I cap plus 5 into 3, 15 of t square j cap. 7 is constant. This will be 0. Clear? Clear? So acceleration is what, my student, second derivative of r with respect to time. So this is 3. This will be 0 plus this is 15 into 2, 30 t of j cap. Clear? Question asking you at t equals to 1 second, what is acceleration? So 30 into 1 of j cap, 30 of j cap meter square per second. Clear? So answer is B for Bombay. Clear? 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 So my student, if any question from JEE Mains or Neet examination comes in front of you, so you should know how to approach the questions. Once you know how to approach the question, definitely your answer will be correct. Thank you.